Hey everyone, it's Natasha, and in today's video I'm going to review the Total Transcript Solution from the HomeScholar. I was super excited to have the opportunity to review this because I do have a daughter who has just started 10th grade and I had not started yet on her transcript, and I do recommend doing this transcript as you go at the end of each year and then reevaluating over each summer, so that way you can make sure that you're on track for high school graduation. And in this particular product, the Total Transcript Solution, not only do you get transcript templates, a variety of them, which I'll show you in a minute, but you also get training and a book, and you can get feedback and support on your transcript. So it's a really awesome tool for you to use if you have a high schooler, or even if you have a middle schooler and you're wanting to look ahead, or if your middle schooler is taking some high school level classes. So step one is the nuts and bolts of how to make a transcript. Step two is for those who learn best with books. So you don't really have to do both step one and step two, but if you want to, you could. Step three is the HomeScholar Transcript Template Collection. And step four is one personal consultation to review your completed transcript. So once your transcript's done, you can have a consultation to review your completed transcript and you can get feedback on that. So let me show you here. Step one is training. So there's all these different training topics: making a transcript, high school grades and credits, creating transcripts for your unique child, a 1-hour transcript workshop, how to calculate GPA, how to create course titles, scholarship winning transcript tips, and additional reading. So you can click any one of these and you can listen to it if it's an audio download, or download it if it's an Excel document or something like that. And then step two has the PDF ebook if you are a book lover. And then step three, which is my favorite part, is all of the transcript templates. So pretty much any kind of transcript you want is here. So we've got the HomeScholar transcript templates by subject and by year. We've also got it in Excel, so it's Word, rich text format pages, and Excel. You've got the NCAA compliant transcript template, 1-page, 2-page. We've got completed and blank transcript samples, and we've got them in different formats like Word and Excel, rich text pages. And this one, which is pretty awesome, is the Excel with grade calculation, and then you don't even have to calculate the GPA by yourself. We've also got landscape format and semester format options. So there's everything you could want. You can download them, look through them, decide which one fits kind of your style and your homeschool. Then, of course, the last step is your personal phone consultation with the HomeScholar. Now, here I'm going to show you the transcript I chose. It's not completed because my daughter is only in 10th grade, but it will give you an idea of what it looks like. Now, I also did not, for the purpose of this video, put in all of our personal information, but on your transcript, you would obviously do that. That I chose, I preferred to have it not broken up in semesters. And so I specifically chose a transcript that was simple and broken down by year and not semester. But if you would like it broken down by semesters, there's transcripts for that. If you'd like it broken down by subject, there's transcripts for that. So really anything you're looking for, you can likely find, because there's all kinds of transcript templates that are available to you. I definitely recommend this if you have a middle schooler, or for sure a high schooler. It's a great product. It can help you really develop a transcript and really give you the tools that you need to develop that transcript down to the actual practical details of the transcript templates. So make sure to check out the link below where you can find the Total Transcript Solution, and make sure to check the link below for the Homeschool Review Crew blog post, where there will be lots of other reviews on not just this, but many other HomeScholar products.